Hi, this is Rami. Let's create Apple calculator clone under 5 minutes using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, initialize empty directory and give it a name, for example, Apple calculator clone, and then open it with the Visual Studio Code. Start by creating 3 files: index.html, style.css, and script.js. Inside index.html, we will have HTML tag, which does have a head and a body, also link a style and script files. In the body tag, let's create a div or container with a class of calculator. Calculator does have 5 to 6 rows, and first row is the display expression and result. Then it's followed by 5 buttons rows, and each one of those contain 3 to 4 buttons inside it. We'll have a clear toggle sign, percent, and divider. Second row consists of numbers from 7 to 9 and X. Third will have numbers between 4 and 6 and a minus. Fourth rows will consist of numbers between 1 and 3 and a plus. Last one does have a 0, dot, and equal sign. To see a result so far, search for extension called Live Server if you don't have it already. Then from button navigation, press on Go Live, which gonna open a port 5500. Styling the calculator, define some variables that's gonna be used later inside the CSS. The HTML and the body of the document have a dark background, hide the scroll bar, remove any margins and a padding, center the element inside the middle of the screen vertically and horizontally. Order to a calculator container and wide enough, margin the display expression and show the result on the right side of the calculator with the gray text color. Centering the buttons rows, adding margin between each sub-buttons, also make them rounded and bold. Each button of the calculator will have own rounded style and the text will be center. The operation as well as the numbers gonna have own background color. Most of the text color gonna be white except clear, toggle sign, and percent. While the 0 will have a double size as other buttons does have. Open the port 5500 in the browser to see the result and the difference in the style. Optionally, could add header text before the calculator. Final step to make the calculator working is adding the brain or functionality using JavaScript. Grab all the numbers and operation using a document selector. Create global variables for current, previous values, and the operator. Separating the logic of the calculator into small chunks of functions, such as updating the display which show the results, clear the result of the calculation, toggle the sign of the current number, converting the number or the current value with a percent, also having the operator clicker into own function to make it easier to debug and understand alongside the performing the operation. Handling the number clicker in own function to extend a number or make it a double. Final step is linking those small functions to own click listener such as operator and number. To test the results, open the port 5500 in the browser, play around with the calculator. In the description you will find the article to this video and the source code. Don't forget to hit the like if you would like to see more. See you in the next one.